Hey everyone, and a huge welcome to the Scopus Research Hub. Today, we are diving into a topic that is, no joke, one of the most critical parts of getting your work published, academic citation styles. I know, it might sound like a small detail, but you're about to see how it can literally make or break your entire submission.
So let's just start with this question right here. Just think about it for a second. After all that blood, sweat, and tears, the late-night research, the complex analysis, the endless drafts, could something as simple as a formatting mistake be what's holding you back? It's a tough pill to swallow, but for so many brilliant researchers, it's the unfortunate reality.
And look, this isn't just some theory we have. This comes straight from the people who make the decisions, journal editors. It's a powerful reminder that even the most groundbreaking ideas have to be presented with professionalism and care. The stakes are just incredibly high.
So that brings us to the big why, right? Why is this so incredibly important? Well, because proper citation is so much more than just a list of tedious rules. It's really the fundamental language of scholarship, and becoming fluent in it is absolutely key to building your credibility.
Think of it like this. When you cite your sources perfectly, you're not just formatting a document, you're joining a massive global conversation that's been going on for centuries. It's how we, as a community, show respect for the work that came before us, and it's how we lay down a clear path for others to build on our work. It's all about academic integrity.
And okay, let's get practical here. The benefits are huge. A solid reference list proves you've done your homework. It gives reviewers a sense of confidence because they can actually go and check your sources. And it helps the whole community by creating this beautiful, interconnected web of knowledge that anyone can explore.
So here's the bottom line, the key takeaway. If your goal is to publish in those prestigious, high-impact Scopus journals, the ones that are known for their quality, then you simply have to meet international academic standards. And guess what? Flawless citation isn't just a part of that standard, it's a non-negotiable requirement. Getting this right is a direct boost to your chances.
All right, so if we agree that citation is a language, you've got to know that it comes in a few major dialects. Let's take a minute to decode the big three that you'll run into most often: APA, MLA, and Chicago. Knowing the difference is everything.
This table lays it all out beautifully, and you can see how each style has different priorities. For APA, which is huge in the social sciences, things move fast, so the year of publication is front and center. For MLA and the humanities, it's all about digging into the text, so the page number is key. And then you have Chicago, often used in history, which gives you the flexibility of footnotes for really deep, detailed sourcing.
Okay, now for the good stuff. Let's switch hats for a moment and step into the shoes of a journal editor. What are the most frequent, most damaging, and frankly, most frustrating mistakes they see day in and day out? Knowing what not to do is half the battle.
You know, when an editor sees these same errors over and over again, it sends up an immediate red flag. It just signals a lack of care. And that can make them question the quality of the entire paper, no matter how great the research inside might be.
And here they are, the top offenders. Inconsistency, like mixing APA and MLA, just looks messy. Incomplete data? You're just making the reviewer's job harder. Uncited quotes? That's a huge academic no-no. And using weak or outdated sources just weakens your whole argument. Any one of these could be grounds for a swift rejection.
Okay, I know that list sounds a little scary, but here is the fantastic news. You have a secret weapon in this fight for accuracy. Using reference management software, tools like Mendeley, EndNote, or Zotero is an absolute total game changer. They automate so much of this for you, it's just incredible.
All right, let's bring it all together. We've looked at the why, the what, and the what not to do. Now let's finish up with your golden keys to publication. These are the actionable steps you can take right now to set yourself up for success. First, and this is rule number 1, always read the journal's specific guidelines. Number 2, trust your software, but then verify with your own eyes. Do that one last manual check. 3, never forget that your reference list is an editor's first impression of your professionalism. Make it a great one. And finally, this is a mindset shift. Internalize that this isn't just a chore, it's a core part of the craft of being a scholar. And that really is what it all comes down to today. We call these the golden keys for a reason. In the huge, complex journey of getting your research published, mastering your citations is one of the most powerful things that is completely within your control. It truly paves the way to success.
Stay tuned. In the coming days, we'll be releasing more short videos packed with insider secrets and hidden tips on how to prepare your research for publication in Scopus Index journals.